At Sonar, there is a flight of steps leading to the river, and nobody knows, but people think it is from ancient time that this flight of steps leading to the river has been made by people from ancient period. It is known as Doryar. After that, there is a big rock called Kawao. This is a large rock, and this is a crossing also for village of Sonar, where they routinely use this crossing, and then they enter the river current and they use the water for different purposes. Then there is another location called Khaili Gothan, thereafter Mayachi Kharadi, thereafter a place called Black Forest or Kaleran. This is a very interesting name. Very dense forest existed on the banks of Mahadayi river near Sonar, and there is a point here where there is a confluence of a forest stream with the main channel of Mahadayi river. So there may be some story behind this that it is named as Black Forest or Kairan or a dark forest. We don't know. We have lost that particular legend or story. But the very fact that it is known as Kairan, it is a very unique name, and there must be some association of the forest with some sort of plants or trees which we don't know. But definitely, this is a location where there is confluence of one big forest stream with Mahadayi river, and it defines that very location of the so-called Kairan defines the boundary of Sonar village. So after that we get Teen Fato. Teen Fato is there are three different channels of river which are very distinct at this location, and here the current becomes wider, and the shallow part also is very wide, and that is the reason once the current slows down then you get lot of sand deposition, and you see those deposits in a large quantity here, and that's why this was earlier and even now it is a major alluvial river sand mining area. After that there is what is known as Dhawlachi Kond or another rocky pool. So people know it as Dhawlachi Kond, and the reason is that the water here is continuously turbulent, and that is why because of the turbulence people call it Dhawlachi Kond. Dhawa means agitation. So the water gets agitation, and it is a sacred location also because people believe that there is a spirit in that area. And most interestingly, the local tradition have it that this is the area, the Orachikon, where you get black clams. And very little research has been done on the black clams of Mahadayi river in places like the Orachikon, and there is a lot of scope for this in future to study. Now we move to the 20th video in the series of 52 videos on Mahadayi river journey.